Guys, today we're gonna make vegan potato kolaches. Turn the gas on to high. Now put 4 spoons of oil. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now I'm going to let the oil heat up. When this starts sizzling, that means we're ready to put in our... Now my dad has chopped up some onions and garlic for us, and now we'll add this inside. I'm scared. Now my onions and garlic have sauteed, and now I'll put some tomato puree. And then I'll add some bhaji masala and salt. And now let's mix it up. Now I have 3 boiled potatoes, and I'll add them in. And now I'll mash them. I'll take this out and let's mash this. Oh wow, this is really hard. If you need to take help from your parents, because I needed help from my dad too, so I mashed this up now, and we can mix it up. Just have to take out all this potato. So now I've smashed my potatoes, and now I'll just take this out. Oh God. And now I'll just put this aside, and I will mix like this, I'll just mix this. Fun fact for the day is that my dad, he went to Texas, and then he tried this, and he liked it, so he wanted me to recreate it. Now we're gonna make our kolaches. I made our potato filling thing into balls, and earlier I had proofed yeast and made a dough. Next time I make a video, I will send this recipe. I have some cheese, and I have rolled of the balls, if you saw. So now we're going to start. So I'm gonna take 1 ball. I'm going to add it on my surface, and I'm going to thin it out like that. And then I'm going to flip it like this side. This dough is if you don't think that my dough recipe is coming out a little late, you can comment, or you can just make a pizza dough or a naan dough. And I'm just going to roll this. This should be as thin as possible because, well, it's best. Okay, now this is ready, and I will take a little potato ball, put it in here, and I'll add some cheese. You can put how much ever you like, but I like I'm a cheese lover, so I like a lot. Oh, and yeah, I said vegan, so this is vegan cheese, okay? This is a vegan cheese. Okay, I think I put too much, but I mean, who cares? There's never such a thing as too much cheese. I'm just gonna fold this like a little momo, aka dumpling. Okay, let's add this like that. Oh. And I'm just going to fold this. Oh God, it's kind of messy, but it's okay. That's what baking is all about. Now we'll just set this to the side. Now I'm going to make this last one, and then we'll put this in the oven. It's so much fun. Now let's place this here. And now we'll go to the oven. I forgot to add one tiny detail. I have to brush some vegan butter or oil on this, and then we'll add this in the oven. Okay. I've preheated the oven, and Oh yeah, I'm just gonna say only put how much that will fit because this is going to like, you know, wee in the oven, like increase like that. So I'll just put this in the oven right now. Okay, let's this. And let's put this for 12 minutes. These are baked and we're gonna take them out of the oven. Oh, I think I pushed them more in. Okay, there we go. Oh my God, they look so beautiful. Oh wow. Oh God, this is hot. Okay. Okay, let's retake. Okay. This makes me feel like damn survivor. That's good. You don't know this. Okay, this is not playing. I hope you guys enjoyed.